So you only have 20 minutes a day to learn a language. You're busy. Maybe you've got work, school, family. And when you finally sit down, you think, ugh, 20 minutes won't make a difference. But that's exactly where most people are wrong. You don't need more time. You need better use of time. Because the truth is, two focused 20-minute sessions can be more powerful than someone else's 3-hour study marathon. It's not about how much time you have, it's about what you do in that time. So, in this video, I'll show you a simple 3-step plan to make those 20 minutes ridiculously effective so you actually make progress, even on your busiest days. The first rule: only one goal per session. Most people fail because they try to do too many things at once: grammar, vocabulary, listening, writing, all in the same short time. That's like trying to train every muscle in the gym in 20 minutes. You'll just get tired, not stronger. So here's the fix. Before you start, choose one specific focus. Example: today I'll learn 10 travel words. I'll shadow a short conversation. I'll review the past tense. When you focus on one thing, your brain can go deeper. You process faster and remember longer. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing one thing properly. You'll be surprised how quickly 20 minutes adds up when you stay focused. 5 days of 20 focused minutes equals almost 2 hours of real deep learning. The second rule: be active, not passive. Watching videos feels like learning, but your brain isn't really doing the work. If you're just sitting there reading or listening without responding, you're not building memory, you're just consuming. So during your 20 minutes, you need to move from input to output. That means speak out loud, write something new, record yourself repeating, or shadow a native speaker. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that your brain is actually working. Every active minute helps build connections in your brain. Remember this: passive input builds understanding, active output builds fluency. Rule number 3: always end with reflection. When your 20 minutes are over, don't just slam your notebook shut. Take 2 minutes to think about what you did. Ask yourself, what did I actually learn today? What new word can I still remember? Could I use it in a sentence right now? That short review helps your brain organize and store information, like pressing save before shutting down your computer. You can even say it out loud. Today, I learned how to use the past tense for travel situations. That tiny sentence tells your brain, hey, this was important, keep it. So next time you think, I only have 20 minutes, remember, that's all you need. If you focus on one goal, stay active, and reflect at the end, you'll learn faster than people who study for hours without direction. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about how long you study, it's about how smart you study. And hey, I'm really curious, what level are you at right now? Beginner, intermediate, advanced? Drop it in the comments below and tell me how long you've been learning your target language. I read every single comment, and I love seeing where everyone is in their journey. Let's grow together, one smart session at a time. Subscribe for more simple, science-based strategies to make every minute count, because every minute does count.